How to turn on memories notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on memories notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find this one, memories, and then click this settings icon in the top corner and click notifications, and now just click this one, turn notifications on, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.